Hi guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Today I'm going to show you how to make a reversible sequins pillow. Reversible sequins is a really trendy fabric and it's great for decor, so let's get started.
The materials you will need are a pillow form. I'm using a 14-inch round pillow, 1 yard of reversible sequins, 1 yard of satin, thread, upholstery thread, pins or clips, a ruler, scissors, a fabric marker or chalk, and a sewing machine. Cut 2 14-inch circles of reversible sequins. Also, cut 2 5 by 50-inch rectangles of satin. If you're using a different size pillow form, modify your measurements. Fold the satin in half lengthwise and clip. Sew 2 straight lines down the open edge with upholstery thread. Use the longest stitch length on your sewing machine. Leave about 6 inches of thread at the beginning and end of each line of stitching. Pull on the thread to create the ruffles. The upholstery thread is strong, so you can pull hard on the thread without it breaking. See our How to Make Ruffles tutorial for details. Place the reversible sequins on top of each other with right sides facing. Sandwich the ruffled satin in between the sequins with the sewn edge sticking out and clip. Make sure that the ruffles are sticking out enough so that when you sew with a 1/2 inch seam allowance, the stitching on the ruffles won't be visible. Sew around the edge with a 1/2 inch seam allowance, leaving a 5-inch opening. Backstitch at the beginning and end. Flip the pillowcase right side out. Stuff the pillow form through the opening. Fold the raw edge of the satin and place it over the other end of the satin. If there is too much extra fabric, trim it down. If there is too little fabric, cut another 5-inch wide strip of satin and sew it to your existing piece. Sew with a few stitches to keep it in place. Sew the opening closed by going in and out of all of the layers.
For tips on how to work with sequins, see our How to Sew Sequins tutorial. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.